That boy. Rukewe. Tell me say you are Letitia Abi. Oh yes, what's what telling me you feast. Now.
Breathe.
Fine.
Rukewe. You need to say you be plumber. Ordinary pipe where I say make you fit for kitchen. Now both we dey use enter house. Everywhere water. Rukewe. Now you talk say Sabi work oh. I need to feed gas for my AC. My room they hot. Even street, the whole street they go past my room. My house no hair. Rukewe. You said this say you be bricklayer. Ordinary one when I tell you say make you any plaster. Now what don't fall. Everybody in the pastor see this my husband they knock. Talk say me and my husband don't go get privacy. Me and you don't go get peace for this earth.
What's up my people on the day, it's your boy OBIKING. Welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, please make sure to watch this video to the end because you're about to experience something magnificent. You understand? So if you're here to subscribe, please, this is a perfect opportunity to do that. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go, have some fun.
What the worry you? Why don't we talk too much? Somebody in the chat don't come off my head.
You too, sister, marry you now so much finger again. He will find out the wife, find out the good thing. But since you find me a good thing, I they give you. Man, no run and can get that thing go stop for there.
If you don't know matter, you are a very lazy woman. You are a very lazy woman because if you're not lazy, all the money I don't give for this house. For instance, start small business. Start small business they do. Make you see money for this house.
Sister, money in a piece I don't the talk. If I the work I go the mess. I know Papa, I say go like your mate. Make money like your mate.
Come off my body, oh. Come off my body because it's not because of what very time I talk. I'm gonna slap you. I'm gonna slap you.
It doesn't not be because of waiting at the talk. One gas in there. We they follow the talk.
I don't think I peace in my house. See, you go to your family house. You go back to your parents.
My family house no better than this house. People they build house they fail. And they talk to you.
Mom, I don't know what they smell here. Like something will die. I just smell spray this perfume so that it will smell nice.
Go and wash your pussy.
No, be just saying they insult me. You don't use adjective they insult me, Mama. You use adjective they insult me. Now, let me tell you, nobody knows adjective now. You will leave my house, you will estate, you will evacuate, you will exodus from my house.
I'm off here. I think I'm alive. Lost my bag. Papa, let's go. Papa, Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, man.
Now your head correct.
We're from the Kenjikas NGO, so we're going around appreciating peaceful and humble couples.
My babe, my life.
We're around your neighborhood today, and it seems to be just two of you that is around. So, with the look of things, you people seem to be peaceful.
You think it's a joke?
It's alright. So, over to you.
Okay, yes, we have the sum of 10 million naira for your family. It seems there's a peaceful coexistence here.
Can you behave yourself, please? Don't be a foolish idiot.
Nah.
10 million?
Yes.
10 million!
Hey!
Hey! My God will bless you. It will order your footsteps. Take care of your family. Take care of yourself. Come this time. When you when your waist they go now. If this I don't know you. See the way you when your waist. You don't the wine and willow. You don't the go. When you reach Madam Bell's bar, you got that so small studios. Buy the stuff and
So what's the meaning of that now?
What's not the meaning of
What's the meaning of that? Is it your money?
Yeah.
Is it your money? I'm the head of this family. They gave me my money and anything I give you, I will take. Madam, before I forget, you're supposed to leave my house. Now leave my house.
Oga, on action now.
That's why the 10 million.
Oga, on action now, you drop that money. I see the line. It is not on with them. If I forget I learned something, give me the money. I
Excuse you, madam, what's going on here?
They're not come back.
It's not a shade, it's my brother. You stay away from my brother.
TikTok challenge. This thing what they do now, some fair. I found out here FF.
Madam, with the look of things, now one fair they go on here. Please, give me.
Let's
Let's go, let's get the other stuff to your bed.
They're not collecting our money back.
Nothing with the plate.
This is the height of it.
You leave now.
Can you imagine? These people don't get this. Don't see us. You are Thaedoboy, they stop you from going. Can you imagine? Thaedoboy don't follow around. Can you imagine? Come on, this guy editing skills now.
Kasongo, yeah. Mombali nanga. Kasongo, mbona wewe. Songa libala.
Bros, wait. Bros, do you know you can get 300% bonus on 1xbet if you register with my promo code 01MJ? Not only that, you stand a chance to get 200% bonus on every deposit you make on Monday. Bros, go to 1xbet now. Bet on Champions League, EPL, and even La Liga, and you stand a chance to win amazing prizes. Just only now to 1xbet and use my promo code 01MJ, and you stand this chance to win amazing prizes. Bros, today I don't share your updates. Oh, leave me make I dey go now.
Cut down.
Respect, boss. Respect, boss. Respect. Respect to senior man. Respect.
What's going on
Respect, mama.
That guy na upcoming artist too. Wow. Na name be Industry Cola Nut. Very respectful guy. He go soon drop the first song. I tell you.
Wow. Bama, I better give that upcoming artist one beer, make it taste front. That guy loyal.
Very loyal boy. Wow.
Respect, mama.
One song later.
Industry Cola Nut.
Industry Cola Nut.
No be this upcoming artist be this. Industry Cola Nut. Baba Naimo. Since the guy you drop the first song, the song will get 2,000 streams. We don't hear what they give. The song gets 600,000 for Apple Music. He pride come. I did tell you, we don't hear what they get. Thank God say that song no the first 100 for Apple Music. Thank God say no the first 100. See pride now.
That's what they do.
Boss, wait on. Chema. Drop to my manager.
Lagos to Dubai.
Me complace amarte, disfruto.
Funnybros and this guy about trekking.
Sonreír. Daría cualquier
About trekking at bread and beans. Funnybros na garu.
estar siempre. Y entre todas. Contigo yo quiero envejecer. Y no tiempo.
This one is
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
you know that guy come on.
Tu locura.
This guy's not getting sad.
Hi, Uchi.
Hey, General.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, please have a seat.
I beg, you say have a seat. Why are you telling me to sit on the chair and not on the bed?
Listen, Oche, I don't want to give you the wrong impression, so that's why I'm asking to sit on the chair, because in the bed.
General, swear that you don't know why you asked me to come to your house.
I'm kidding.
Grab it, come and sit on the bed, Joe.
Alright, so, alright, let's just Netflix and chill.
Netflix waiting.
So tell me,
go straight to
what
the
type
point.
of movies do you watch?
Movie kid. I beg.
How far?
Let's chill now. I'll get Netflix later.
Yeah, your type is real.
Your time is fair, like, maybe all these ones you like to
Any chance you get with any girl, say you dey date any girl, give.
Boys, come. We are in business. Now. Where's your mother now?
You don't say my mama.
But
now she finish with that too. No, she's not ready to do this work. And my second branch be this one.
okay, take. Let me withdraw.
Okay.
How much do I withdraw?
1 million.
Yeah.
You want
People
to
say
draw
1
1 million
we all
for
charge at
POS.
50k. Okay now. At 50k oh.
No problem. May do it for shop.
Let's have it.
Let's see too.
Oh boy, why you they give me the card now? You draw something for me.
I don't need you draw now.
I say na 10,000 now. I want withdraw 10,000. How much be charges for 10,000?
But the talk one and I'm be say 1 million.
1 million.
Go for free. 1 million. What I want you to do? Tell your mama.
I say you draw 1 million. No, yes, sir.
I was on call now. Not
the one you put up in.
You don't debit me. 50,000 naira for 1 million?
Yes, now.
You be thief.
Okay, what's your motto?
Don't joke with me. Don't joke with me. 50,000, you won't rob me.
But something I tell you be say, that 1 million naira cash will not get.
You not forget cash.
But you come to us tomorrow. Before you come, we'll don't go back, come back.
What do you mean?
No, you talk. I didn't make a speech for you to watch, you know,
You are joking with me, oh.
Jesus.
you don't close us today. Go back to Boss, come to us tomorrow.
But you must not joke. Come. You must not. Mama, you know these people. I beg, bros. I beg.
Bros, thank you.
You know those small boys.
You are a god sent. Bro, I don't know if you hear me 1,000 naira about me Caesar compose you because you too compose.
This is a serious mandate.
Elisa.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir. Afternoon. Yeah. Sir, that lady said she needs financial assistance from you.
That lady?
Yes, sir.
Well, I don't know her.
I don't know, sir. She just told me she needed financial assistance from you, sir.
Okay, let's go.
All right, sir.
But you know, say it's better person.
Hello.
Hi.
You said you needed my financial assistance.
I need your financial assistance.
Yeah.
When did I say that?
You said so.
When did I tell you that?
Asa, you come. That means you get. Na me need that more.
Jesus.
You get mad? You carry my phone. Carry my phone, go on off, go and watch rubbish online. They download rubbish with my data, 5,000 naira data, Rukewe. Data don't turn 50 MB. Now we say data not go.
Correct that one, Joe. I take your phone.
Go. You must vomit that data today. That is that boy. Rukewe. Tell me say you're electrician, Abi. But there's no something tells me you fist. Now.
Breathe.
Fine. Look away. You don't say you be plumber. Ordinary pipe where I say make you fit for kitchen. Now both with the use enter out. Everywhere water. Look away. Now you talk say Sabi work oh. Ordinary to figures for my AC. My room they hot. Even the whole street they go past my room. My house no hair. Look away. You said this say you be bricklayer. Ordinary when I tell you say make you any plaster. Now throw what on for. Anybody the pass pastor see the same my husband, they knock. Talk say me and my husband, don't go get privacy. Me and you, don't go get peace for this earth.
Long ago, the four nations lived together in harmony. Then, everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Only the Avatar, master of all four elements, could stop them. But when the world needed him most...
Dissolve! Let me my guy come back to life.
Let me tell you something!
You know you help your brother.
We need to settle down. Get married.
That is God forbid, God forbid. And I'm a tenant association member myself. But I cannot run for president, sir. I'm being paid by landlord is the problem. If landlords are paying me and I want to run for president of tenants, Carlos Mama gba me as lawyer again. And that is what's happening? What's happening now? Please, what happened? Why is there panic in this neighborhood?
It's a boy that went and light knockout in front of NEPA office and dismantled the whole queue.
Knockout in front of NEPA? Why are people still queuing in front of NEPA office for crying out loud? You see that people don't know that you can use Momo to pay electricity bill in this 2025? Momo that you will use to pay electricity bill, no queue, no panic, no knockout. Story or no? That I'm scared for my life already, Egbo. Momo that you can even use to do cable subscription. You can use to do airtime and data with amazing bonuses. You can use to make payment across Nigeria and even to other African countries. Even their gift card package, you can use to make international payment for your favorite entertainment and gaming packages. That's on the same Momo.
Tell me more. Can you borrow me your phone so I can register for this Momo app? I don't have a smartphone.
I should borrow your phone. In this chaotic neighborhood, I know your tactic. Even if you don't have smartphone, that is *671# on the palace that you're using. It will bring out Momo for you.
*671.
Me that they said I should come and run for tenants chairman. I'm not running for my life. Let me tell them that I'm not scared of anything again.
So you're not scared?
False alarm, man, nothing serious. I go save me.
Big day. Lala, stand up. See. It is an cash abi. It is.
This guy's no good, son.
What's good, fam? Apana. I heard they test me. I test for this water now.
Yeah, no problem. Take boy.
Huh? Yeah. Hey man, you never slap him. What's he pour inside? This guy na mumu.
Come on, bro.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
But don't tell us to me drink and you go now. What's in there? You get some friends will be like that. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. Check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. Make sure to subscribe if you're here to do that. And see you in my next one, guys. Peace out.